Gwolian Machinery has been deeply involved in Taiwan's screw industry for 50 years. In the midst of the Sino-US situation and the economic changes in cross-strait trade, ever standing and keeping pace with the times. So far, Gwolian Machinery has exported to about 50 countries. 30 years since Chairman Ahung Chen took over, observing that the pace of international industry iteration is changing ever faster. A cycle from 8 to 12 years, shortened to a 4-year cycle, now furthermore affected by the pandemic. Drastic changes are occurring yearly. In response to the current situation, Gwolian Machinery is willing to provide experience and insights, eager to assist major companies to grasp the path forward, in line with the times.
由于国际情
Changes
势
in the
的
international
转变，
situation.
还有
In addition to
加上
Taiwan's success in pandemic prevention, in 2021, the fasteners industry in Taiwan, it can be said that the timing is right for the taking. However, there are also shortages of materials, labor, and containers. Not for oneself, but to change the approach and method is what matters and will better the business. This is an objective pointer worth worrying about.
Chairman Chen has long observed the stagnation of Taiwan's screw industry. Production process and technology, not much has changed from the past. The digitalization of the screw industry is very low. According to statistics, only 3%. From a workflow, management, operation, and business aspect, there is great room for breakthrough in all aspects. As a second-generation successor, Chairman Chen deeply realized, every generation is an era. It is difficult to survive without innovation. However, with the progression of technology, business intellect, which took a lot of time to accumulate in the past, under the rapidly change of environment, and scarcity of time to develop slowly, from mechanical automation to unmanned operation, it can reduce the traditional industry's reliance on people, whilst using big data and smart manufacturing systems to make relevant management information transparent, enables beneficiaries to quickly get started, accelerates the efficiency of knowledge transfer, and improve overall competitiveness.
The core value of the industry's future is to promote the standard of Industry 4.0. Before advancement towards Industry 4.0, I think people must be able to self-improve, self-manage. And the company must also have the capability of a self-examination function.
The team at Gwolian Machinery as a whole continues to renovate, connecting with expert advisors in various fields, continuous accumulation of experience in various successful projects, possessing the ability to tailor to whole plant output for customers.
Gwolian Machinery has always been innovative, looking ahead to becoming a promoter of industrial upgrading. Gwolian Machinery can integrate big data and assist customers in building a smart factory in as little as a year's time. Let customers who have never had production experience through smart manufacturing system to enable market domination. Last year, we helped a steel group with an annual revenue of 500 billion new Taiwan dollars in a completely inexperienced situation. From market research to selection of core technology, explicitly to solve market obstacles, and then determining the right equipment for the most effective competitiveness, all the way to smart manufacturing, can allow managers and business leaders to have more transparency and understand the production data and information. Let the management team to be able to quickly and accurately make decisions. Furthermore, it can even provide us with a direction for improvement. Under these circumstances, Gwolian, 12 years ago, from experiences of working with China Steel and Wolsin Lihua, to assist them in creating such a smart factory. And we have own programming staff and our own IT staff to assist with our smart manufacturing system, with ability to interlink to an ERP system, allows for business owners easily utilize. I can safely say this is a guidance for traditional technologies towards a management orientation for our investors. We are in the optimization of wire drawing processes. Also assisted a world fastener leader. Also one of the world's most famous brands. We helped them plan 6 roller cassette cold rolling production lines, achieving a speed of 1200 m/minute. The life of the roller die can reach 10,000 tons. Diameter enlargement by 0.1 millimeters. This can greatly help improve customers' production efficiency and output, reducing downtime. Clients in the screw industry are in fact the biggest obstacles, with high product defective rate. Moreover, the gross profit margins for the screw industry in general is very low. Therefore, the purchase material basically tend to be more price-orientated. Under such circumstances, we developed the roller cassette wire drawing machine equipment. That is using this core technology. We are able to solve the customer's product wire, improving the screw's defective rate, able to reduce by approximately 0.1%. The roller cassette is able to achieve this feat during the rough drawing process. It does not require an experienced operator to operate. Additionally, the scratch rate is close to 0, and the wire breaking rate is less than 1%. Automated pickling line. As far as we know, the issue is not the process sequence. Presently, there aren't many that is able to achieve this. But in the planning of the overall technology, with production technology leading equipment design to whole plant design, this is the key to whole plant output and process optimization. During the spheroidization process after drawing, we can achieve a level 2 grade and higher of spheroidization. That is 90% spheroidization. In the field automated pickling, currently in Taiwan or China, there is not a single successful case in the whole of Asia. To accomplish the full process sequence from rough drawing to spheroidization and to automated pickling, the production output can achieve 8,000 tons per month. Pickling 3D scaling equipment, mechanical descaling, mechanical brushing, high pressure washing, inline coating, inline drying, concurrently with wire drawing. Suitable for high carbon steel materials such as cable, angle wire, and springs. Now it can be said that there is negligible waste pollution. Not only can it avoid the waste problem created from pickling, it also greatly reduces production and logistics costs.
Gwolian Machinery, together with the original equipment supplier, under the concept of environmental protection and energy saving, began R&D research, becoming an industry leader. Now in progress to further provide customers with more accurate and precise whole plant output planning. Looking forward to adding values for customers, for sustainable development, geared to global industrial chain, becoming the most reliable partner.